Clap everybody and say hello. Clap everybody and say hello. Clap everybody and say hello. Hello all our friends. Hello friends, how are you doing? We have one more day of some apple fun, and you can see that I've got some apples up on the board behind me. So I was hoping that you could help me count them. I have 3 different colors, don't I? Can you name all the colors you see up there? Yeah, red and green and yellow. Let's start with the red apples. I'll point and you help me count. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Good. Okay, let's count the green ones together. Does anybody want to guess how many there are before we count them? If we have 11 red apples, how many green apples do you think we have? Okay, let's count and find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How'd you do? All right, make a guess. How many yellow apples do you think there are? Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 yellow apples. Thanks for helping me count. I'm going to take all the apples down now and we're going to do something else with them. So here go the yellow ones. Next we'll take down the green ones. It's like I'm picking apples, isn't it? Okay, last, here come the red ones. All gone. What I want to do with these now is make some apple patterns. Do you know what a pattern is? A pattern is when something happens again and again and again in a way that we can always guess what's coming next. So for example, if I put up a red apple, and then I put up a green apple, and then I put up a red apple, and then I put up a green apple, and then I put up a red apple, and then I put up a green apple. You can probably tell what I'm going to put up next. What do you think? Yeah, I'm going to put up a red apple. And then what? Yeah, green. Good job. Let's read our apples together. We'll read them by saying their color names, like this. Red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green. All right, I'm going to take that pattern down. First, I'll take down all the red apples. Make room for them on my lap. And next, I'll take down the green apples. And I'll build another pattern. Remember, a pattern is something that happens again and again and again in a way that you can guess what's coming next. I'll start with red apples again. Red, and then I'll put up a green one, but I'll change it a little bit because I'll add yellow. Okay, red, green, yellow. Next comes red, then comes green, then comes yellow. You know what's next? Red. Got a guess? Green. What's next? Yellow. This time my pattern had 3 colors in it. Will you help me read them? Here we go. Red, green, yellow. Red, green, yellow. Red, green, yellow. What would go here if I kept my pattern going? Yeah, we'd start again with the red. Well done, friends. We'll do a couple more. Picking red apples, now I'll pick all the green apples. How many yellow apples are there? Yeah, 3 yellow apples. Pick them right off the tree. I'll change it a little bit again. Okay, this time we'll start with yellow. We'll do yellow, yellow, red. Yellow, yellow, red. Huh, that's a little different, isn't it? I'm putting 2 yellow apples side by side and then adding a red one. Then 2 yellow apples and then a red apple. What should come next? Did you guess 2 yellow apples? You're right. 2 yellow apples and then a red apple. Let's read this one together. Yellow, yellow, red. Yellow, yellow, red. Yellow, yellow, red. Very good. I'm going to do one more. You know, you can make patterns even if you don't have different colors. If I only had red apples, I could still make a pattern. See if you can figure out what I'm doing. Are you ready? Can you see that? It might be a little far away and tricky. What am I doing with the red apples that's different? Do you see the stem of the first apple? Can you see that? There, we'll get it a little closer. This apple has a stem on the top. The apple is right side up. But this apple stem is pointing down. So we have an apple right side up, and then an apple upside down. An apple that's right side up, and then an apple that's upside down. An apple that's right side up, and an apple that's upside down. That one's a little bit trickier, isn't it? You know, you can kind of be a pattern detective. If you like finding patterns, they're all around us. I'm wearing a pattern right now. Did you notice that my shirt has 2 colors, doesn't it? On one side, my shirt has a white space and then a black stripe. White, black, white, black, white, black. But on the other side, it has black spaces with little white stripes. Black, white, black, white, black, white. I wonder if any of you are wearing something with a pattern today. You can also make patterns out of things that you find around your house. You could make patterns with buttons. You could make patterns with your Halloween candy. You could make patterns with silverware from your kitchen drawer. All kinds of things can be pattern builders. So I wonder if you can find some patterns or make some patterns later today. I bet you can. Well, before we go, I want to sing you one more song this week about apples. So I'm going to take this out of the way. And we'll flip this around. And we'll build a word in it. We're going to build the word apple. Does anybody know what the word apple starts with? Apple. It's this letter right here, the letter A, A. Okay, p. Does anybody know what letter says p? That's right, it's the letter P, P. And apple has 2 P's in it. P, and one more, P. So right now this says app. We need an ol sound. Apple. Do you know what makes that sound? If you guessed L, you're absolutely right. Apple. We've got all the sounds, but the word apple also has one more letter. It's an E, but it doesn't make a sound. It just sits on the end of the word like that. A-P-P-L-E. We're gonna sing a song with these letters, And it goes like this. There is a fruit that grows on trees, and apple is its name. Oh, A-P-P-L-E, A-P-P-L-E, A-P-P-L-E. Yes, apple is its name. Oh. Now I'm going to take the A and I'm going to flip it over like that. So instead of saying the word A or the letter A, we're going to clap it like this. There is a fruit that grows on trees, and apple is its name. Oh, P-P-L-E, 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 and apple is its name. Oh, okay. Now I'm going to turn over the first letter P. So now we're going to say clap, 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 P-L-E. There is a fruit that grows on trees, and apple is its name. Oh, P-L-E, 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 and apple is its name. Oh, you know what's going to get flipped over next, don't you? Another letter P. So now we'll do 3 claps. Clap, 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 and we'll just say L-E. There is a fruit that grows on trees, and apple is its name. Oh, L-E. Good. L-E. Clap, clap, clap. L-E, and apple is its name. Oh. Say goodbye to the letter L. Bye, L. Okay, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 claps, and we're just going to say E. Are you ready? There is a fruit that grows on trees, and apple is its name. Oh, E, 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 and apple is its name. Oh, say goodbye to the E. See you later, E. Now we're not going to say any letters. We're just going to give 5 claps like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go. There is a fruit that grows on trees, and apple is its name. Oh. And apple is its name. Oh. Very good. Some of you guys might have just learned how to spell the word apple, which is pretty cool. Well, thanks for coming and singing with me and doing some patterns today. It's time for us to sing our goodbye song, and I'll see you again soon. Clap everybody and say goodbye. Clap everybody and say goodbye. Clap everybody and say goodbye. Goodbye all our friends. See you next time. Bye-bye.